Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we've shown in Windows 10 how to view how much data you're using, we're going to do the same on Windows 11. How do you know how much data you're using? It's pretty much in 30 days that it's actually going to give you the details. And once again, you can set a limit. You can decide how much data so as not to go over, for example, a data cap that you might have every month and not be charged extra for internet. And of course, see all the apps that take internet, and this gives you an idea of the usage of your PC. Go in the taskbar in Windows 11, see your connection. It's either the internet, the Wi-Fi with these little waves, or you probably have an icon for Ethernet access if you're plugged in with a cable. Simply right-click on this and go into Network and Internet Settings. Here, you will see in this place, actually already on the top, here on the top right in Windows 11, you have data usage. It's already visible in this top part of this panel, which is nice, as this is a panel that adapts in the settings in Windows 11. One of the nice things of Windows 11, I gotta say. Now, it says here that I've used 278.8 gigabytes in the last 30 days. And if you click on it, it's actually going to bring you to the panel of data usage. And that data usage panel is going to tell you which apps are giving you and using the most data on the system. So right now it tells me the OneDrive was pretty heavy in usage with 151 gigabytes. Then the system at 30, Microsoft Edge at 14, Chrome at 1.95, and so on. So you can, of course, check that out and check which apps are actually using and see what you can do. If, for example, OneDrive is not something you use and it uses a lot of data for you, well, maybe you want to kind of play around with that. And same thing as Windows 10. On the upper right, you have Enter Limit. You can click here, set a one-time limit, a monthly limit. You can choose the reset date because of your, depending on when the data resets on your data on your internet access. Then you choose either megabytes or gigabytes and choose the data limit that you have. You click save. Automatically, your computer is going to stop when using internet when it reaches that data limit, and it's actually going to warn you also when you get close to it. Once again, if you have a data cap, you can divide that between several computers if you have more than one computer at home, and choose which computers will have more data or less data, and the total usage of each computer should not exceed your data cap. So for example, if your data cap's 100, you've got 3 PCs, then you might want to share it equally, 33, 33, 33, which would give you 99 gigabytes, close to 100. Or depending on the usage of the PC, one PC could have more data, so you could set 60 gigabytes for a very used PC, 30 gigabytes for a moderately used PC, and the 10 left for a PC that's not used much. The total of 60 plus 40 plus 10, 60 plus 30 plus 10, makes a total of 100. So that is going to give you the possibility to manage with what's happening on your internet connection. And make sure you don't go over a data cap if you do have one. A lot of people around the world are stuck with, unfortunately, a maximum amount of gigabytes they can use. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.